Let's talk about all these vibes up in this nail shop. OMG, this is now my favorite shop, okay? I'm looking busted and disgusted, so I definitely need my libations. The nail tech is catering to me, and I'm feeling so lovely right now. I am in heaven. Get these toes together, girl. Oh, these hands, yes, power in them. Look how cute they are. Oh my God, I love it. Check out this bar though. OMG, this feels so good. I just love pampering myself after a long day of work. Yes, massage those toes. Oh my God, this Bahama Mama is delicious. How about that jamming in the nail shop? Jamming up in here. Do you hear me?